Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Pythagoras Theorem. It's a very important concept in trigonometry. So let's start. Before understanding Pythagoras Theorem, we need to learn what is right angle triangle. So in a right angle triangle, we have one of the angle that is exactly 90 degree, that one. And the side that makes up the 90 degree, we call them legs. So we have two legs over here, and the side which is exactly opposite of 90 degree, we can call it as hypotenuse. These are the three things that is very important for us before we move to Pythagoras theorem, because we can only apply the Pythagoras theorem when we have a right angle triangle. So let's learn how the Pythagoras theorem works. So in a right angle triangle, the hypotenuse squared will be equal to the sum of the legs squared. So for example, if the legs are given as A and B and the hypotenuse as C, so if we square A and B and then add them together, we will end up getting C squared, the value of C squared. So when can we use the Pythagoras theorem? When two of the sides in a right angle triangle are given and one of the side is unknown, we can easily find or easily use the Pythagoras theorem. So for example, if you can see two of the side and the unknown, two of the legs are given and the hypotenuse is unknown here, we can use that. We can use it when one of the leg and the hypotenuse is given, and if they want you to find the other side, we can use other leg, we can use the Pythagoras theorem. So let's try how to apply it. So if let's say one of the leg is given as 6 inch and the other leg is given as 8 inch, and if they want you to find the length of the hypotenuse, we can easily use the theorem by substituting the value of A and B as 6 and 8. From here, we can easily subtract the value of C. Finally, we will have a square over here. To remove this square, we have to transfer this square to the other side and it will become square root. We can finally end up getting the result, and that is gonna be 10 inch. You can try to find the value of B and A over here and write it in the comment section. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed and learned something new today. Thanks.